Yes, welcome to this tutorial, and we are going to go through the first tutorial, and that is hydrological modeling, and it's going to have parts that we are going to deal to have this as first tutorial, and as you can see, this is the arc map. This is the arc map. Okay, so shall put some data set. Oh, before that, we shall have to save. I'll save this as tutorial, 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 tutorial. Tutorial, like that. Then I will save the account. And save the account in tutorial. Yes. I say catchments 1. Well, this is good. So you can go to data. Start with data set. I put DEM for Uganda. Okay. Then I will also need to put the districts for Uganda. Good. I can also put the sub-counties. Yes. See this the Kasese area. I'm interested in the Kasese area, and there are few districts that sub-counties that I'm interested in. I can name this. Can name that. So let me select some part of it. I will select. Let me say. I'll select this. I'll check districts. I can select that. These areas. Like this. Maybe can have something like that. Yes. Okay, this is good. Because why I selected this, because I think and I hope that even Yamambo lays in that area. So I can select one. I can select it. So we go to sub-counties. Then I go home. Then I know that I've selected area. Selected area. Okay. It says and district once up one locality or division is left out, as you can see. So that means I have to select again. Okay, then select once more. Still are not selected. Okay. Shows that it is not yet again selected. Cool. Okay, I want to select this. So I have some areas here that are small. Okay. So select. This is good. So it has selected all of it. So I will need to get its DEM or slope. So I can go to data management. I go to Raster processing, and I click out. For this area Kasese. And I will put them within Kasese. Then I save. Okay, good. Where I need to get the slope, the area again. So this will take me to spatial analysis tools. I go to surface, then I go to slope, and select Kasese for them, then you can put slope. Maybe I can also put Kasese. And save, then I say okay. Okay, that's good. So you can see that is Kasese area. So for watershed delineation, what we need DEM as the input so that we can generate the flow direction, the flow accumulation, and other steps as well. So we shall use Akaito tools, which are in terrain processing. We go to DEM manipulation, and we go to fill sinks. Okay, so we change here to the Kasese, and then we do fill. So that fill we get is actually hydrodem. It is called hydrodem fill. Then we go to flow direction. This step is actually automatic, so you don't need to change anything. You can jump this and then you go to flow accumulation. Still, it's automatic. You just have to say, okay, good. So that is our flow accumulation. Then we can go to flow accumulation. Then we go to stream, stream segmentation. Okay, that's good. Then we can go to stream segmentation. Well, good. Then we shall also go to catchment grid. Catchment grid. Successfully done. So up to that point, this that we've done previously, those are actually what we've been generating is raster data. So it stops here. So when you go to catchment polygon, now it converts those files into vector data. Okay, good. So can I go polygon? Processing is done. We go to drainage lines. Then we also say okay. Okay, good. So shall go to adjoint catchment. Okay, good. Shall also go to so go to drainage points. Okay, good. So up to this point, we know that so we can go to the next point whereby we go to generating now. Okay? This is now watershed delineation, and we actually done with this part using Akahito tools. So the next point is we are now going to generate for that specific catchment. For example, if I'm interested in the river Nagamba, So I need to delineate its catchment area. Well, this one is for a for the whole area, and you might be interested in a specific river. So we may not actually, you can generate catchment for each, but then if you are interested, if you know the river you are modeling or the area you are modeling, so it's easier. So at this point, we are actually uh, done with the watershed delineation using ACA ITO tools. So we are going to meet again. There's a second tutorial, and then we see how we can continue from there again. Otherwise, thank you.